Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Put Your Makeup On, where I post videos like this every Monday and Thursday. In today's video, I have a tutorial for you guys. Really excited to be filming with this guy right here. This is the new Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. I am really excited to be filming with this. Have you guys tried out this palette? Let me know in the comments down below. And I am also using a couple of other Wet n Wild products. This is the look that I came up with, and if you want to know how to recreate this look, this is how we do it on Put Your Makeup On, so just keep watching. So my eyes are already primed with the Milani Eyeshadow Primer, my favorite. I'm first going into the palette with shade number 2, which is a shade that's similar to my skin tone, to set the primer. That way everything is easy for us to blend. I'm next going in with the transition color, or numbered number 10, which is really nice on the back of this palette. Everything is labeled, so it's easy to follow along. And then next I'm going in with shade number 8, which is the whole reason why I wanted to buy this palette. Beautiful color, and I'm using a more tapered blending brush, and I'm just popping that into the crease as well to give myself more definition. I'm using a flat shader brush with shade number 6, and I'm so sorry if that was out of focus, but this is going to be our main lid color. And then I'm taking that shade number 8 again, just to build up even more definition. I wanted this color to really stand out and give a nice amount of contrast between the lid and the crease. Shade number 2 again, I'm popping that on my brow bone. For eyeliner, we are going in with the Clinique Pretty Easy eyeliner. If you guys would like to see a more in-depth tutorial on how to do winged eyeliner, I have a card which I will pop on the screen along within the description box. Lastly, for the eyes, I'm using the Big Tease mascara from Buxom, and I actually really like this mascara for a good amount of volume and separation. For primer, I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Smooth Primer, which I definitely agree with. It blurs everything out, smooths everything out, controls my oil throughout the day. I love it. And then for foundation, I am using, again, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I've been enjoying this foundation a ton lately. I am using the shade Soft Beige. It smooths and blurs everything out, and I love how it doesn't make me look overly makeup-y or cakey. I mean, we all know the applicator is terrible, but I can honestly look past it because the product itself is amazing. I'm skipping color corrector today, and I'm going straight in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I find that this does give a decent amount of coverage where I don't have to worry about using a color corrector, and again, it smooths and blurs everything out. I have a lot of fine lines under my eyes, and I like using my fingers to melt the product in, and I'm going in with my foundation brush again just to marry everything together. To set the under eyes, I'm using the Wet n Wild Contour Palette, the yellow shade in here, just so I don't have to worry about creasing throughout the day, again, because I do suffer from a lot of fine lines. And then to finish off the rest of the face, I'm using the Coty Airspun Powder Loose Powder. This powder I really enjoy because I could put on so much of it, and I never have to worry about looking overly powdery or looking overly cakey or makeup-y again. It's a fantastic powder. I'm going to whiz through my eyebrows, but I wanted to show you what I'm using. This is the Goof Proof from Benefit. I'm using the shade number 3, and I am also setting that with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. I had a little tweezing mishap the other day, so that's pretty much why I am filling them in. And then for bronzer, I'm using the same palette from Wet n Wild as my bronzer color, and this powder, I definitely find it is very, very pigmented, so be warned, a little bit goes a long way. Take your time with this powder. I definitely found myself having to blend a lot. And then for blush, this is the ombre blush from Wet n Wild. I find the color, I kind of regret now using this shade because it's a little too purpley, but I made it work, whatever. I can't put this highlighter down, you guys. Colourpop highlighter in the shade here, Kitty Kitty. I am literally obsessed. I just love this color so much. To finish off the eyes, I'm going in with that burgundy shade with a pencil brush, and I'm just doing a little bit of work on the lower lash line just to give the eyes that nice complete look with mascara as well on the lower lash line. To finish off this look, I am using the Everlasting Liquid Lip from Kat Von D in the shade Lolita 2. And that is the completed look. I feel like now that I'm editing it, it's a very like monochromatic look. I'm kind of digging it. What do you guys think? And this is the finished look. So this is the final look that I came up with. What do you guys think? I definitely really love and enjoy this palette. It's just so easy to blend, and I just love the whole concept of this palette. They're all very nice complementary shades, and I really enjoy this palette. So if you guys have any other recommendations and other Wet n Wild products that you think that I should check out, let me know in the comments down below. I'm also thinking about filming a Wet n Wild one branded makeup tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see that, and definitely don't forget to come back every Monday and Thursday for a brand new video. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. And I think that's all I have to say for this video, other than I love you guys and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!